parts of this item, please bring your foot locker, potatoes and a careful landing. Please stay allocated seat and remain seated ready for departure. We require
You're not waiting for
Good afternoon and welcome aboard the EasyJet flight. Please leave largely batches cover bags in your foot locker. All other items such as jackets, small bags should be placed underneath the seat in front of you.
I'll put it on the menu, yes.
Please do not oil close lot of customers aboard. If you're on the front row, all the emergency
Nose and mouth and breathe normally. Hold the mask in place with the strap, pull on each side to adjust. Put on your own mask before helping others. In the likely event of needing to use an oxygen mask, if you're wearing a face mask, this must be removed before putting on your oxygen mask. If we land on water, take your life jacket from under your seat. Remove from the pouch and put it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and click together. Pull the strap to adjust. Do not inflate it inside the aircraft. When outside, inflate it by pulling the toggle. If it's fails to inflate or needing topping up, blow into this tube. There is a light and whistle for attracting attention. The cabin crew can assist you with life jackets for children. Your tray table must now be stowed, armrests down, window blinds open and your seatbelt fastened. We hope you have a great flight.
But even look at that. Yeah, it's because they say I'm shitty. I'm good at the sun, sorry. There is an option. That's
Saw that.
Thanks, it's not good.
I said I had to reception.
Oh,
Reception and maintenance.
I don't know. Did you see that office up here?
Because they sacked Bob. Maintenance guy.
Not Bob, not Bob.
No, Bob doesn't maintenance. He's maintenance staff.
The one that went down the just
Aye, you know.
tried it back. Just like
British
there.
job, yeah. Painter guy. He got sacked.
Stevens worked for
Hotel Savannah.
he's a manager for maintenance.
Seatbelt fastened while the silver sign is on and remain seated as movement in the cabin must be limited. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. If you need to leave the seat, keep the aisle clear to allow the customers to pass by and take care of opening the lockers in case anything has moved and can now fall out. The toilets are located in each end of the cabin. All are fitted with smoke detectors. Smoking is not permitted aboard at any time. This includes e-cigarettes. Please ensure that there are no more than 2 people queuing at the toilets to avoid congestion. We have a fresh and exciting new selection to eat and drink with products to suit all tastes. Take a look at what's on offer in your seat back menu or in your digital download. Choose from a hand-picked range of hot and cold sandwiches, combined with a soft drink and a snack for £7.95. Or treat yourself by adding a wine, beer or spirit for £10.50. If you fancy something sweet or savory, or just a drink, we have the deal for you. We accept payment by card, contactless. If you could be of any further assistance, please ask us when we join you in the cabin shortly. Thank you. Glasgow, where the local time is 20 minutes to 5. Electronic devices may not be used in the airway reach for calls, messages, and internet access. Keep your seatbelt fastened and remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Doors are open and you are invited to disembark. Take all your personal belongings with you, checking in the seat pocket, underneath the seat, and in the overhead locker. For our impact on the planet is important to EasyJet. That's why we offset the carbon emission for all fuel used on our flights by investing in projects globally, protecting against deforestation and supporting of energy projects. We would like to thank you for flying with us today and we look forward to welcome you on board again soon. Have a lovely afternoon.
So if I don't imagine all the customers got high diesel and then I'm doing one then off.
Thank you for your
Because that is going to do that, that's my deal. So if I set the cut-off point, I'm probably not the call, which means I'm really going that but I can't go there. But I'm thinking I might try and do something Tuesday, Thursday that way. Kids are just back to school thing on the Monday, so I might do the Tuesday somewhere. That's a bit of a colour. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, it's like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 cycles a week in 4 days. It's my first 3 days and then 12 cycles 3 days. It was alright, it was just a down and it came there later. So yeah, you do it a lot of times. And I was like sleeping at the gym, like walking, lunch.
It's in your days, like you might go back to lunch then. Like in the morning, go to the gym Sunday morning.
It's like sitting there and watching the glass.
It's an offer, get ready. It's an offer today.
Cabin crew, thank you to South Doors for arrival.
Do you know the guy that's got the
What?
guy that's got the